Okay, so let's talk about what we're doing here and what we're going to cover. We're going to cover the current state of the housing market and the mortgage market, and we're going to uncover some strategies of how to profit in that market and the best strategies to use in the market today. Why get into real estate when the media has all these negative things to say about the real estate market? Well, let me explain it to you. The media doesn't know what we know. And the other thing is, the media needs stories to report on. And even more than that, they like negative stories to report on. Why? Because their advertisers pay them to get people to watch TV. And the sad part about our society is that most of the people in our society are negative. And they feel good about themselves when they see negative things happening to good people. The real estate market is the best foreclosure market that we've ever seen in our lifetimes. And it may be the biggest real estate market that we will ever see for the rest of our lives. The economists are saying that the foreclosure boom that we are in now is going to be bigger than the savings and loans crisis. Real estate has been the most secure investment of all time. And it's so easy to get started because there's no capital needed in this business. You don't need cash, credit, licenses, or any experience to do the types of deals that I'm going to show you that you can do starting right now. This is a picture of me and Gene Simmons. Gene is an incredible guy. Gene and I were at a marketing conference a couple weeks ago, and he was talking about the foreclosure market. And he says that he's buying everything right now. And he says, the reason why you should be buying now is because everybody else is trying to sell. And buying now is buying your future. What he said specifically about the people in foreclosure is, the person that's losing that house, buy it from them. The bank that's foreclosing on the home, buy it from them. And the person that lost their home to foreclosure, give them a job. You can ask all of my people that hang out with me. True story. All right. The current market conditions in the foreclosure market right now is a lot of people think it's just because of the adjustable rate mortgages. Adjustable rate mortgages is the major cause of the big foreclosure boom right now. However, there's three causes of foreclosure that happen all the time in every market all over the country. It's divorce, it's job loss, and it's illness. Those will never go away. But it is the adjustable rate mortgages that have caused this huge snowball effect of these foreclosures right now. There's $1 trillion in adjustable rate mortgages set to adjust right now. And there's $50 billion of adjustable rate mortgage adjusting every month. So that means we have 145,000 foreclosures reported every month. And a lot of the mortgage brokers in the room, they were selling these adjustable rate mortgages because the subprime lenders needed to get their money out in the marketplace, and they created all these aggressive mortgage products. So they were selling these adjustable rate mortgages to the borrowers, selling them the fact that they could refinance in 2 years and get out of it. Well, that was true for a while because the market was appreciating, and the appreciation took care of everything. But then when the market started to decline, it fell apart because they were no longer able to refinance anymore. Last quarter, there was one out of 264 homes went into foreclosure. That's nationwide. This is a graph of the foreclosure filings. From 2006 to 2008, there has been a 300% increase in foreclosure filings. 06 to 08. And this graph is going to continue to rise at this rate for the next 3 years. It's not going to go away soon. It's not going to last forever, but it's not going to go away soon. This map of the United States shows the density of foreclosures. And you probably can't see it that well right now, but this red area and all these red spots right here, where we are, shows that there's one household per foreclosure action. So these areas right here, Hillsborough County, Fort Myers, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Port St. Lucie. Those are the hottest foreclosure spots in Florida. Las Vegas, over here, this is red, all of Southern California, Arizona. Vegas has 1 out of 54 houses in foreclosure. The next area right here is this pink area. The whole United States is pink. The foreclosures are everywhere, and they're not going to stop. 95% of all homes in foreclosure have no equity or negative equity. This creates a major problem for homeowners that are in foreclosure because they can't sell and they can't refinance. Can't sell because they don't have any equity, otherwise they would have to come up with the money to go to closing. They had a major problem until I came around. We're going to solve that problem for them. And we can create equity in their homes by creating a short sale. A short sale is when the mortgage company accepts less than what's owed on the balance. It's a win-win for everyone. The homeowner wins because they're now able to get their home sold and avoid the foreclosure. The lender wins because they get their foreclosure off their books. They get the bad debt taken care of. Lenders are not in the real estate business. They're in the money business. Their only interest is getting interest on their money. So they need us to help them liquidate their bad debt. Because the amount of bad debt that they have prevents them from lending out more money. So with all of this bad debt that the mortgage companies have, the new business model for mortgage brokers is liquidating the bank's bad debt rather than helping them get more mortgages because that business has dried up. And it's a win for us too because we get to help out homeowners avoid foreclosure and we make a ton of money while doing it.